sure that they have a say. I bring authors into processes that don't require their decisions because I want them to understand the process so they feel more empowered inside of their own choices. And the other thing is, cookbooks fundamentally have not changed their architecture in 60 years. I find that offensive. I really, really don't like it because I think it's really lazy. Because how people cook has changed, and cookbooks have not. And so I think that the inside litigation of this process to move a little bit of the conventions up to mirror how we as a society interact with these artifacts, and I call books artifacts, is the responsibility of publishers. And very few of them are interested, frankly, in that internal litigation. One of the changes that I made to Yewande's book, which might seem like a small thing, but is actually was a pretty profound thing. It was something I was attempting to do with Black food, but I knew that that we wouldn't win that fight. Is something as simple as placing the headline, the recipe name, under the head note.